In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tilt PNG in Affinity Photo. If your PNG looks a little crooked, or you want to add a subtle angle for style, Affinity Photo makes it quick with the Crop Tool's Straighten feature. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along the first time. First, open your PNG in Affinity Photo. You can drag the file into the app or use File, then Open. If your image has transparency, don't worry, tilting won't remove that, it just rotates the pixels within the canvas. Next, select the Crop tool from the toolbar on the left. You'll see a crop box appear around your image, along with options at the top of the screen. Even if you don't plan to crop tightly, this tool is perfect because it includes a built-in straighten control for precise rotation. At the top, click the straighten icon. Your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to draw a guide. This guide tells Affinity what level should look like. Now click on the image and drag along something that should be perfectly horizontal or vertical. Think a horizon line, a table edge, or the side of a building. When you release, Affinity Photo automatically tilts the image to match that line. You'll notice the crop box adjusts to fit the new angle. Before you apply, scan the edges. If something important is getting clipped, drag the crop handles outward to include more, or slightly rotate using the on-screen corner handles to fine-tune. If snapping feels sticky while adjusting, temporarily toggle it off so your movements are smoother. When the composition looks right, click Apply or press Enter to commit. That's it. Open your PNG, choose Crop, hit Straighten, draw your guide, adjust the crop if needed, and apply. You've tilted your PNG cleanly while preserving quality and, if present, transparency. If you change your mind, Command or Control+Z will undo instantly. With a bit of practice, you'll correct skewed images and add stylish tilts in seconds.